So on the next is for you to get 15 hashtags, maximum of 15 hashtags for your video description. So let's go to that. Maximum of 15 hashtags. So let's start. Um, you can do that on YouTube because there's also the auto suggestion, hashtag suggestion on YouTube. So let's go. So this is where we are supposed to do this. So the first thing I want you to know is that the first hashtag you should use is your brand name. So hashtag brand white pages, hashtag brown white pages. Please make sure the description is in another line. The description can be close to the hashtag like this. The next is the next hashtag should be um, the title. So the title should be the next hashtag. So title should be this. The next hashtag should be the primary keyword. The three hashtag at the top. So my primary keyword is upload YouTube videos intro. Then the other hashtags can come at the bottom. Um, I would love to use so the other hashtags should come at the bottom. So once you're done with that, then go to the bottom of description. So that is three. We need only 12. So hashtag. Let me try upload YouTube videos. These some things I like. So this is good. The video. The next, I also like videos. So like these videos. Okay, let me check upload video. Upload video. Like this. I like upload. Like upload. I might go with the word upload. The next is upload. Upload. Upload video. Upload. Uploaded. Alright, so now let's go for digital marketing. 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 Digital marketing. I think cost should be next. Digital marketing. Let me go for our podcast. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Plus those at the top. 1, 2, 3. You can continue to 15. Let me get YouTube video. Let me try YouTube video. To videos. Remaining one, YouTube. So this is it. 15. So at the bottom, at the top, make sure you have only three at the top. The first, remember brand name, video title, then video primary keyword. How would this look like? Let me show you how it will look like. Let me show you how it will look like when someone is watching this video. Just click here, copy link. Okay, it's going to show you. Watch. Hello everyone. My name is Mr. Isa Kalume. I'm a digital marketing expert. This is how it will look like. These are the hashtags. The hashtags will help broaden the reach, take your video far, help your video rank. So make sure the brand name, the title, and the primary keywords are here.